Hello and welcome to this episode of Sabse Hatke series. We are not here to portray conventional career choices as dull and boring. Instead, we want to help youngsters make a well-informed career choice. Today, we have plethora of opportunities to make a living out of what we like to do. Becoming a doctor or an engineer are not the only choices anymore. Our guests and their journeys will inspire you in your own journey. If you find our videos interesting and helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.
Hello everyone, this is Nilesh Suravar, professionally and generally known as Samvedan. I am a calligrapher. Since childhood, I was fond of writing beautifully and creating different styles, but I didn't knew that it is called as calligraphy and can be pursued as a career. After my graduation in engineering, one day, a friend suggested me to enroll for a calligraphy course, and during this time, I realized that calligraphy is my passion. Calligraphy for me is the medium to express myself to the world in a beautiful way. This art makes me immensely joyous, and I think that a person should choose a career which makes him joyous. In order to be a calligrapher, there is no specific degree or diploma required. Calligraphy is primarily a self-learning process. But if you are still interested in pursuing a formal education, then you can go for Bachelor's in Fine Arts, where basics of calligraphy are taught. Particularly in India, there are no university recognized courses in calligraphy, but there are different courses, short term and long term, offered by various calligraphers, which will definitely help you to master the skill. I would suggest that you should learn from master calligraphers in India and abroad, and you can search them on Google, Facebook, and Instagram. The art of calligraphy requires immense discipline, passion, creativity, practice, and patience. Since it's an out-of-the-box career, you need to experiment and explore a lot. Being proficient in technology can be of immense help, since a lot of digital tools are available which can make your work easier. To be successful as an artist, you need to create your own brand or identity and present it to the world. There is a bright future in calligraphy. Calligraphy as a career is growing fast since the demand for hand-lettered products is on the rise. As a calligrapher, you can conduct workshops, create your own academy, do work for event management companies, create your own art pieces, and a lot more. Nowadays, people are very much interested in learning new hobbies, and demand for calligraphy art pieces is also rising all over the world. To be a calligrapher, you need to have a creative bent of mind, lot of patience, hard work, and an attitude of continuous experimentation. Advantages of being a calligrapher is that you can beautify spaces and spread love and joy in the lives of people around. Calligraphy is a very meditative art form and can make your and others' life more balanced and beautiful. Doing a career which makes you joyous will definitely help you to grow in it. And I think when your passion is your profession, then your work just doesn't remain your work but becomes an immensely enjoyable process. I haven't found any disadvantage of this career, but if you're passionate about calligraphy, then I would say you should definitely go for it. There are challenges in every field, but the joy of growing in a career of your interest is simply amazing. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any doubts or queries, you can reach me via mail or WhatsApp, and do follow me on Instagram. Thank you Team Kavyangan for this opportunity.